Let me see if I can make this unified next list idea more clear for some people. There's a little, I won't call it a bug necessarily, but there's a delay that happens when you're dealing with a project that actually shows exactly what I've been wanting. So let's call this example. So we have this project called example. So now let's say that in my next list I have a sample task. I know I don't have all the contacts and time and all that, but whenever I drag this into this project, right there, this is how the unified next list in my mind should look. All next actions are listed regardless of their single actions or next actions of projects. And the only distinction between a next action of a project is that you have the project link right here. This is the same way it looks in the today list. Now as you guys can see, I'm in the next list. As soon as I refresh, that goes away and I'm back to a frustrated next list. But if you can imagine this next list with other tasks underneath here. In fact, I think I can reorder this before it refreshes. Maybe not. Well, yeah. So I can sort my next actions based on time, energy, and context. And at the same time, I can identify the ones that belong to a project. Now, once I go into project and back to the next list, of course, it refreshes. It splits my next list into a subcategory with projects, and here's this task, which is the way I don't like it. So that was just like a preview in my mind of what a unified next list would look like with the nice project link on the side, the same way you would see a task here. Well, everybody knows what I'm talking about. If you make this task today, see how it works? That's the way it should look, in my opinion, in the next list. But unfortunately, it looks that way when you initially do it, but then after you refresh it, in my perspective, it breaks. But so the code is in there somewhere. It's able to show the task currently in this list the way we want it. Hope that helped.